how to add multiple widgets in a container on the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen. Now on your home screen, go to a blank spot and then touch and hold. Next, we tap on the Edit button at the top left. From the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Then in the widget list, we scroll down and then tap on Smart Stack. In here, you can select a small widget, medium size, or a larger size. So I'm going to select a large size, and then we go down and tap on Add Widget. Now in here, you can then tap on the widget itself. After that, you can scroll up and down, and you can see there are already some widgets has been added to your stack. So if you don't like the default widget, you can just tap on the Remove button, like so. So we remove the suggested widgets. Alright, so let's add in some of our own widget. So you go to the top here and tap on the Add button. From the list here, scroll down and choose a widget that you would like to add to the stack. So for example, I would like to add in the contact widget. And then tap on Add Widget. Then I add in another one, tap on the Add button. Sorry, so we go in here. So I'll touch and hold on that widget, and then I'm going to tap on Edit Stack. And then tap on that. Go back out, tap on Add. Here we go down and we search for a widget that we want to add. So we got the activity widget. Maybe we add in that one in there. So we tap on that and then tap on Add Widget. So that has been added to the stack right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 widgets so far. So I'm going to tap on the Add button. And then again, scroll down and find a suitable widget that you like. So I'm going to add in a weather forecast widget and then tap on Add Widget. You can then tap on the widget here to customize it. So if you want to customize a widget, you can simply just tap on it to customize the widget. Okay, so after that, tap on Done. And here you can swipe up and down to switch between the different widgets available in the stack. So you can see here we have placed a container on the home screen, and within, sorry, I just want to close that one. And within this container, we have multiple widgets. So this is a very handy placement, allowing you to group all the different widgets in one place. That will allow you to minimize your home screen so that it doesn't have a lot of different widgets all over the place, and it helps you, allow you to keep your home screen nice and clean and tidy. And that's it. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.